We are Team Brainsoup. Our team consists of two experienced programmers, Matt Fordham and Rich Pickering, artist and animator Olga Maximenko, and game designer production manager, myself, Artem Bashkaryov. We present to you Florobots, a point-and-click 2D adventure game. You awaken a laboratory filled with vegetation, where it seems that over time these plants have adapted to their environment and learned to program robots. You, the protagonist, are one such robot. As you look out there in the forest before you, you see enormous machines destroying the landscape and threatening the planet. Although you are unsure of your skills and capabilities, it is clear what must be done. From a technical standpoint, a 10-minute long demo will be developed for iOS and 2D using C# and XNA4 and Monogame EXEN. This will allow the engine code to execute on both iOS and Android, simplifying a multi-platform release of a full product in the future. The project will be managed using a mixture of development methodologies taken from many areas, such as Agile, Red, and Extreme Programming. Examples of some of those include Scrum meetings, rapid prototype creation, and pair programming. Work will take place in 2-week sprints with milestone deliverables at selected points throughout the development of the project. Florobots feature 4 puzzle levels. As the player completes each puzzle and advances, the game gets progressively more challenging. Successfully finding the correct solution to each puzzle breaks a machine, removing another threat to your homeworld. To accomplish this, you must use your 3 specialist forms: the gardener form, the engineer form, and the mobility form. Your initial form can be used to move around each level. When you encounter obstacles, you cannot overcome them, and you must transform into a specialist form. The gardener form allows you to grow nearby plants to interact with and solve puzzles. This, for example, might involve growing vines around machinery in order to break it. The engineer form is a heavily armored battlesuit, which allows you to fire small projectiles with a bazooka, such as acorns. This form has also an ability to tinker with other robots and fix broken machinery. The mobility form is very agile and can use a grappling hook to interact with distant objects. The game is suitable for players aged 6 and up, and it's set in a child-friendly post-apocalyptic world. During the projected 10 minutes of gameplay, the player will experience a variety of puzzles in this unusual setting. The demo version of the game features a 3-level tutorial section and culminates in a full gameplay puzzle, the Guzzler. Each tutorial section takes place entirely in one specialist form to demonstrate an example of a puzzle which can be solved by each particular form. The final puzzle allows the player to switch between these forms and use them to solve a puzzle from the full game. Within 100 days of the project, we aim to produce a polished demo version of Florobots which should take players about 10 minutes to complete, with the intention of continuing content creation after the competition finish date to produce a full version on both iOS and Android featuring the tutorial and 4 puzzles.